what is one easy way to improve your memory retention? Because I hope you agree, memory retention is quite an essential study skills. It's one of the be it and end all of studying effectively. Because if you cannot retain what you've learned, it's literally like pouring water into a bucket with a hole in it. So what's that easy way to retain what you've learned? It is note taking. Now, you wouldn't think note taking is important, would you? But the reality though is that note taking is a very crucial part of our study technique. But here's what many students do. Many students would read a book and they would write down the information in the book word for word, or they'll write down what they've seen the teacher's written word for word, and they think, oh, that's it, I'm done, I've revised today, or I've learnt today, I've understood this particular topic. But actually taking the time to make notes in your own words really help you to understand what you have done. Why is note taking such a powerful tool then? Well, firstly, something really amazing happens between your brain and your hand when you start to write things down. And I'm not talking about typing on a computer. I mean, actually get your book, a pen and a paper and write things down. It's really building and it's strengthening those nerve connections. And by doing this, it's helping you to understand the information and assimilate the information better. Now, because you understood that information better, it's gonna go into your long-term memory more, and therefore your chances of remembering this information is going to increase, right? So your chances of remembering what you've learned is going to increase. So if you're a student that currently do not make notes in your own words, or you're a parent watching this and you have a child who don't make notes in their own words, then you need to start now, because otherwise all you're doing is cramming, and you're cramming information that you don't know anyway, you don't understand anyway. And so let's think of something like biology, for instance, which is quite complex. There's a lot to know in biology. If all you're doing is cramming, you're gonna get to your point where there's only so much that your brain can take because you don't really understand the information. And then guess what? When it comes to exam day, when it comes to this test, you're just gonna forget everything anyway. So that's why making notes in your own words, are you summarizing the information in a way that shows your understanding, is really important for students. So there you have it. That's my quick tip for you. One easy way to improve memory retention is to make notes in your own words. Now, to help you with this, I have created a PDF guide called 3 Simple Tips to Remember What You Have Learned. If you want access to that guide, just comment memory PDF below and I'll give you access to it. All right, that's it. Bye for now.